Hello guys, this is G Bank's Mathematics. Always remember to follow, like, share with your colleagues and friends, right? Today's question is on quadratic function. Express the function g of x equals 7 plus 7 minus 3x minus 5x squared in the form g of x equals a minus b into brackets x plus c all squared, where a, b, and c are constants. This is the first part of the question. So the first part of the question is we are supposed to express the quadratic function in the form given, which is a minus b into brackets x plus c all squared. Then we come to the maximum value of the function, right? As I said, remember to follow, like, and share this video. All right, so we have g of x as 7 minus 3x minus 5x squared. First, I need to rearrange this, and this gives me negative 5x squared minus 3x plus 7. Then from x squared and then negative 3x, I'm going to factorize the coefficient of x squared, and this gives me x squared then plus 3 out of 5x then plus 7. All right, then the next thing to do is to pick the coefficient of x, which is 3 out of 5, divided by 2, which is 3 out of 5 times 1 out of 2, giving me 3 out of 10. Then I have to square the solution or the result, then add and subtract to what I have in the bracket over there. So I add and then subtract. So this gives me negative 5. Then I have x squared plus 3 out of 5x. Then I'm going to add what I have there, which is 3 out of 10 squared minus 3 out of 10 squared. All right, then plus 7. So let's move on. With what I have in the brackets, okay, I'm going to take this part to this part and then simplify it. I have negative 5, then x plus 3 out of 10 all squared. Then I can now expand what I have here, which is negative 9 out of 100, then plus 7. So I'm going to use the negative 5 to expand what I have in the bracket, all right? So negative 5 times this gives me negative 5 x plus 3 out of 10 all squared. Then negative 5 times this gives me positive 9 out of 20, then plus 7. So I simplify the fraction and then the whole number over there, which is negative 5. I have x plus 3 out of 10 all squared. Simplifying this gives me positive 149 out of 20. Now we have to rearrange this so that it looks like the question that has been given. They said we are supposed to express it in the form a minus b into bracket x plus c all squared. So this now becomes my g of x will now be 149 out of 20 minus 5 into brackets x plus 3 out of 10 all squared, where I can say that a is now 149 out of 20. My b is positive 5 because the negative is already there. All right, so b is the actual number there. The negative is already here. So b is 5, and then my c becomes 3 out of 10. So this is what I have for the first part of the question. All right, the second part of the question is hence state the maximum value of the function and where it occurs. So this is what you do. For maximum value, the maximum value is my a, which is the constant over there, which is 149 out of 20. This is the maximum value of my function, all right? And where it occurs at what I have in the brackets, okay? Now I have positive 3, x plus 3 out of 10, all right? So I can state this equals 0, or I can make x the subject, which is x equals negative 3 out of 10. This is where it occurs, all right? So guys, this is how to find the maximum value and where it occurs, and also how to express a quadratic or a quadratic function in a given form. Thank you so much. Always follow, like, and share this video for more. Bye-bye.